Okay, so earlier in your presentation, you probably have learned what we're doing here. We're predicting student retention. My name is Koby Pascual. I'm going to go briefly through the code here. We use Python in PyCharm. This is Python 2.7. It's what I prefer. We do all of our coding here except for what we found this package, this rpy2, which is pretty nice. We actually can run our scripts through that rpy2, so we can send our data from Python into the R script, and it'll actually return the prediction, so we can use it to predict retention. So here's our little app. It's very simple, not too much to it, just a little opening message here. There's two options. You can add a student or you can look at the tutorial. So here's just a brief description of how it works. Obviously, you click the one button that's on the screen. Now you have to fill out everything here according to this structure. So these need to be numeric values. This has to be structured like this. If there isn't a course, you have to put a period there. Sometimes 3 or 4 of them aren't there, so you have to have periods. If you don't do it, it's going to yell at you, obviously. So you keep going. You have to fill out these 4 surveys, which are all concerning different things. This is financial concerns, so you have to have this. You can only fill out 1 check per question, or else it's going to get mad. You also have to fill out 1 check per question. You can't do less. You can't ignore one. The reason is these 4 surveys are actually 4 different data points the data points are numeric values that get calculated from the results of the survey. So once you finish the 4 surveys and the fields, and as long as you did it correctly, you can click submit, which is what you saw here. And then simply look, it goes through and classifies success based on our algorithms. It seems like this student is bound for success at OU. Retention is highly probable. Good news. Unfortunately, not everyone gets to experience that, so unfortunately the results. So the reason we do this is so maybe an advisor can say, hey, you know, with these attributes that the student has, maybe this isn't the best path for them to start out in. You know, not to discourage them, but maybe they can enroll in less courses or something like that. I'm not an advisor, but okay, so we'll run through actually adding a student. So I have some points here of a student that I know that actually passed this. Actually, I have that to where it doesn't matter if it's a lowercase or not, but whatever. Alright, we're going to continue. So this is easy. Agree. Alright, institutional commitment. They love OU. Alright, now we're going to submit. Uh-oh, I made a mistake. Oh, look, geometry I didn't put in. Thank goodness for programming. Alright, success. We're going to succeed. Alright, now I'm going to do one more really quick so I can show a fail. Luckily, I'm able to show a fail here pretty quickly because I actually kind of included a cheat code. So I didn't have to go and actually look for someone that failed for this tutorial or for this video. Fail. Probably should have made just a quick jump to the end option, but alright, we're not going to graduate, unfortunately, but that's it. Pretty simple application. We want to add some more things I have in the works where we can have a log so you can actually look back at all the other people that you input, as well as adding all the plots from our clusters. And I actually already have this fix in, but I don't know if it's going to be ready by the due date, where you can actually choose the different clustering method that we're going to use. Thanks.